Meaning of describable.
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 Describable. The word describable refers to something that can be described or explained in words. It indicates that the thing being referred to is not abstract or incomprehensible, but rather that it can be understood through language and communication. This quality of being describable is important in many fields, such as science, where clear and precise descriptions are necessary for understanding natural phenomena, and art, where the ability to describe or capture a subject's essence is central to expression. Overall, being describable is a fundamental trait of anything that can be comprehended and communicated effectively.